You want to try some of your milk for the first time, Trip? First milk. Busy eating O's right now. Get some drink? Drink, yeah. What do you think? Okay, we'll go back for more. That's good. It's different, isn't it? I think we can get used to this, don't you think? Good drinking, Trip. Good job. And yum, 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 yum. Good job, Trippy Dippy. Chug, chug, chug. Are you trying to do blubs with the thing? Back to O's. So how much did we drink in our first? We drank a pretty good amount. Okay, bye everyone. Yeah.